Hey everyone, back at it again here. Sorry it's been a while since I put out a video. I put that short one out this morning, a drone shot of the terminal this morning. Pretty cool. We had a lot of trucks coming in and out and just wanted to document all that. This is a short one to kind of see where I work out of. Sophie and I are doing well. She seems to be doing just fine. A little hot for us both today. It got up to about 85 degrees today, so and the humidity is real high. We've had a lot of rain this week, and this is the first day it hasn't rained. That's why I was able to get a drone video in, so it's kind of cool. I wanted to show you some tips and tricks I use on the road, so here's what I have for you. Okay, one of the first tricks or tips is to get fuel rewards cards. One I use quite often in the truck and when I'm in my RV is a Flying J. Anyone can get one of these cards. You can go right in and just grab one and start the app on your phone with them. Reason why I use that also when I'm in an RV is if I get at least 15 gallons of gas in my RV, I get half a shower credit. So showers without a free shower credit vary from truck stop to truck stop, $8 to $14. I've seen them as high as 16, but that 12 to 14 is normal, especially for a Pilot Flying J. Another one I have is Quick Trip. They're mainly in the Midwest. Some of you may have heard of them, some may not. But with a Quick Trip card, you get points on every purchase, whether it be gas, diesel, you name it. Baked goods in there, food, and they're a pretty neat little store. I like them. You can go in there with $20 and come out with 2 bags of, like bananas, bread, and everything else. It's pretty reasonably priced in there. It's not like convenience store prices. Another one I have is Good Sam, which can also give you a discount on gas at certain gas stations, and discounts on other things. I also have Good Sam roadside assistance. Helps me with my comfort level, and I don't know if who you have for a towing service. AAA is from what I've heard, has really gone to hell on their service and everything. Some others won't touch RVs. Good Sam is still, I think, about the best choice out there in my opinion, from what I've researched. And as you know, most of you know, I researched for about 2 years before I hit the road. I'll also show you a little trick with your windshield here. So, and I'll bring it to you right now. Okay, here's part of the tip here. Dawn dish soap. I'm going to grab the squeegee from the bucket over here. Show you as I take and put a bead right there, and then we'll slosh it up and down inside the bucket, and that gets the excess off. The Dawn actually cuts the grime on the windshield. The road grime is made up of tar and oils and everything. And the Dawn helps break that down. And the bug juice and the guts and everything, and it helps. I won't get the windshield perfect, but I'll get it pretty good. And I won't have to work nearly as hard. Another trick you can do is use double-aught steel wool. And that will not scratch the glass to get like little specks of sap and stuff off your windshield. But it's got to be a double aught steel wool. Don't use anything else, you'll scratch it. You can see I get a lot more suds on the windshield here. I need a little more juice there. I'm still running the same corridor I was before, so I'm in the truck stop you've seen me film at before, and I'm also getting fuel at the same time here. You see I washed one side, went over the other, and let it soak a little bit. Now I'll see how much cleaner I got it here for you. That's a little bit better. As the weather warms up over here in Wisconsin, the bugs are coming out, and my windshield's paying the price. But price we pay for nice weather, I guess, huh? Now, I just wanted to share that little tip with you guys, maybe help you out. It works on car windshields, motorhome windshields, truck windshields, even your motorcycle. So, hope you all find it usable. Thank you. Thanks again for stopping by and spending time with me on my channel. I'm going to come up with more of these. If these are interesting to you, let me know. I'll keep on bringing this content to you. I'll try to use a little better lighting next time. I know I got the shadows and stuff on my face. I've got some other lighting, but it's in storage and I'll have to break that out. But I'll get that out next time. I appreciate y'all being patient with me while I'm doing this work camping. A lot of times I put in a lot of hours and I don't have time to shoot video, or I'll shoot the video, I don't have time to edit it. Working a 14-hour day. But please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate you coming by and spending time with me. Have a great day.